set up the configuration for the NAT and the firewall. Now let's create the microservices using the Python, and we will be using Flask library of the Python. So we'll clear this pings on both the VM, and we will install, we'll check Python is there or not. Okay, here is the Python in both the machine. Now let's install one. Okay, so same thing, invalid updates in the first VM. Main installing Flask. Seems the grid will make a directory microservices, so which will run our microservices. So we will be creating two, and yep, so we are inside the folders for each VMs, and now we will create an application. So we are there, and I'll provide the code. I'll write the Python code, and yep, so here it is. Okay, I have written for the VM1, and same thing for VM2. Okay, now what we will do, we we have configured as per the network device name inside the Python name, so which will be picking the VM1 and VM2, and it will try to connect to the web servers. Now we have to maintain our HTML file that will display over the web page that how it is being connected. For that, inside this microservices folder, we will be creating an template folder, and we will create one index file which will help us to maintain the HTML format. Same goes with the templates, and index.html. Okay, we have configured the HTML file and Python, and now we will run the Python application in both the VMs. Okay, to check the exact spellings, minor mistakes. Okay, now we have configured, so here we can see the first IP is there and the second IP of second VM is there. Now we will open the Mozilla Firefox. And we will try to ping each other. So you can see here we on the VM1 we are able to fetch the details of VM2. Simultaneously, we will be doing same thing in VM2 for the VM1. As you can see, we are able to connect to the internet gateway because we have enabled the internet gateway via VM3 gateway machine. Okay, so currently I have pinged my own VM2 VM details, but here I have to provide the details of the one, as VM2 is accessible to its own private network, so it is able to show the information. But here we can see the VM1 is also accessible in VM2, and in VM1, VM2 information are accessible. So that was the way that we have securely connected the two VM using a gateway machine, and which is also providing the internet access. For that, we have pinged the network gateways. So we will be providing, we will be able to see that the gateway that is there is the gateway IP. Same if we check in the second VM, we will be able to see here that the gateway IP address is provided here. So we are able to connect only via gateway VM. So to check if the IP addresses are properly configured, we will be doing something. We will try to shut down our VM3. So shut down now. So here we are in a VM3 machine, that is VM Fedora gateway, and we are trying to shut down the gate. As you can see, it is getting shut down. Meanwhile, if I open VM1 and VM2, and there if I try to ping, still it is getting shut down. Okay, now it has been shut down. So you will be able to see here that it won't be able to connect to the internet, as this web page is available over the internet. So it won't be able to get access to that because we have shut down our gate via machine. So, so we have successfully connected the VM1 and VM2 via gateway VM, and also while trying to access the internet, we are using gateway VM, and we have also tested that if we are not having any gateway VM between the VM1 and VM2, then they are not able to access the internet. So that's it. Thank you.